Team members, we are going to present about life cycle of Sclerospora today. Let's dive into the fascinating world of plant pathogens, focusing on one particularly intriguing example, Sclerospora graminicola. This pathogen, believe it or not, plays a significant role in agriculture, affecting crops like millet. Sclerospora graminicola, commonly known as the downy mildew pathogen, has a life cycle that's both complex and interesting. It starts with the pathogen existing as oospores in the soil, which are basically its survival form. These oospores can remain dormant but viable in the soil for several years, waiting for just the right conditions to spring to life. When conditions like moisture and temperature are ideal, these oospores germinate to produce sporangia. This is where it gets interesting. The sporangia release zoospores, which are motile spores that swim through water films to infect the plant. This is a critical step in the spread of the disease. Upon finding a suitable host, the zoospores incist and penetrate the plant tissues. Inside, they grow and reproduce, further spreading throughout the plant. This infection process can cause significant damage to crops, leading to symptoms like leaf blight and stunted growth, which are big concerns for farmers. The reproduction cycle completes when the pathogen produces new oospores that return to the soil, continuing the cycle of infection for future seasons. This ability to survive and remain infectious over multiple seasons makes Sclerospora graminicola a formidable foe in agriculture. Understanding this life cycle is crucial for developing effective management strategies to combat this pathogen and protect crops. It's a perfect example of why studying plant pathology is so important for sustainable agriculture. So next time you look at a field of millet, remember the unseen battles happening right at the plant's cellular level. It's a microscopic world with macroscopic impacts on our food supply. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this dive into the life of a plant pathogen as fascinating as I do. Stay curious and keep learning.